How to buy Bitcoin in Telegram wallet. So this is how you basically buy crypto or Bitcoin on Telegram wallet. So the first thing to buying it is by simply going to your Ton wallet and then tapping the add crypto on the menu. You have the options for adding funds, include purchasing your crypto with a bank card, P2P market, or transferring from external wallets. So as you can see here, simply just tap the add crypto. Then purchase the crypto with your bank card. So choose a bank card from the menu. So simply just select a purchase method or a payment method. Then choose the type of currency you would like to buy and the amount. So just simply use the arrows to toggle between the fiat and cryptocurrency amounts. And simply just select which type of assets and how much you want to buy. And then hit the buy button. And simply just enter your card details to finalize the transactions, and then your cryptocurrency will be reflected in your account shortly after the transaction is successfully processed. You can also use MasterCard and Visa cards to purchase crypto in USD, Euro, and other supported fiat currencies. So basically, that's how you can top up or add crypto or buy Bitcoin in Telegram wallet.